Hey guys, it's very good to see you here. Today I'm gonna show you 10 easy tricks to boost your brain power. So let's make a start on. So, do you really need a brain boost? There are plenty ways to battle mental fog, whether it's by eliminating stress or filling up the best nutrients to fuel productive thinking. To stay mentally alert, most experts recommend a good night of sleep, regular physical exercise, but there are other tricks to help improve creativity and brain functioning. Here are 10 ways to get you started. Number 1. Find your Zen or meditation. Studies have shown that meditation can improve exam performance. Taking a few minutes to quietly meditate, either guided or on your own. Meditate a couple of times in a day will prevent your mind from wandering when you need to be on the walk. Meditate reduces the pain of simply sitting there and thinking. Number 2. Brain food. Believe it or not, an everything bagel with loves, cream cheese, pickled peppers, tomato and red onion has a lot of benefits for your brain, says psychiatrist Drew Ramsey, author of Eat Complete. In addition to the vegetables that help protect the fat that line our brain cells, wild salmon loves will have a lot of omega-3 fats prescribed to boost the brain health, author says. As for the cream cheese and bagel, they may not have any added benefits, but author's note says they can make eating healthy food such as salmon and vegetables more enjoyable. Number 3. Walk it off or take a walk. Taking a break and getting on your feet is an automatic boost to your brain. Walking not only helps to increase your energy but also improves your creativity. A 2013 University of British Columbia study found that regular aerobic exercise such as brisk walking appears to boost the brain area involved in verbal memory and learning. In 2014, Stanford researchers also found that walking increased the creativity inspiration by average of 60% compared to just sitting. Number 4. Smart hydration. Sparkling minerals water is not a great substitute for alcohol. It contains magnesium and other minerals that helps our brain to recharge and grow. Author says magnesium is the mineral we associate most with the fighting tension on a more cellular level. Number 5. Give a speech. Those presentation skills are actually doing wonders for your brain, author says. Public speaking requires so much generalized brain exercise. You are remembering what you were going to say. You are regulating all kinds of thoughts. Staying on topic is like lifting weights with your brain. Number 6. Disconnect. Distractions like phone alert can zap your brain power. Expert recommends putting your phone on airplane mode. See just how much work you can get done without all the text, push notifications and temptation to search for funny cat videos. Number 7. Snack wisely. Avoid the urge to eat sugary foods later in the day. While you will get a momentary boost of energy, it will quickly peak and soon leave you feeling sluggish and distracted. Try eating a nutrient-dense snack, such as an apple with almond butter or walnut with yogurt. Number 8. Pump some iron or weightlifting exercise. Studies have shown that when adults add a weightlifting component to their exercise regimen, it can boost cognitive function due to the increased blood flow and oxygen to the brain. Number 9. Take the scenic route. New Yorkers can try getting off a different subway stop than usual to shake up their routine. Experts says doing something different is a way to combine new experiences with movement. When we were exposed to novelty, our brain has to work harder, and that opens new connections in the brain's network. Number 10. That gut feeling. Studies have found that eating more fermented food such as kefir, kimchi or yogurt may be a key to healthy brain. There always be a tremendous crosstalk between our gut and our brain. The beneficial bacteria from fermented food can produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin, which can help to put our brain to ease as it tackles the intellectual demand of the day. So these 10 ways can help you boost your brain power. If you think you got helped by these tricks, make sure hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Share this video to your friends to share your experience. See you in the next video.